Today, we're reviewing Wave, the free accounting software that's been a go-to for freelancers, solopreneurs, and small businesses. But in 2025, is it still worth using when compared to paid tools like FreshBooks or QuickBooks? Let's take a closer look. Wave still offers a clean and professional interface, and best part, it's completely free for accounting, invoicing, and receipts. You can track income, expenses, and sales tax all from one dashboard. And it's beginner-friendly even if you've never done bookkeeping before. You can set unlimited invoices and customize them with your logo and colors. Plus, Wave lets clients pay online using credit cards or bank transfers, but payment processing fees apply depending on which one. They've also improved receipt scanning through their mobile app, which syncs right into your account. The biggest downside is no built-in inventory tracking or time tracking. Also, if you need payroll, it's a paid add-on and starting at $40 per month plus $6 per employee depending on your state. Wave is the best for service-based businesses or solo entrepreneurs, not ideal for retail or product-heavy operations. Wave doesn't have as many direct integrations, but with Zapier, you can connect it to tools like Trello, PayPal, and Slack. Support is mostly self-serve through help articles, but paid users can access live chat.